What's up everyone, I'm Adam and today I'm going to be showing you how you can play Pokemon Go on your iPad or iPod. So basically Pokemon Go uses GPS, Global Positioning System, to locate where you are in the world so you can play Pokemon Go, and it also requires data roaming, mobile data, to get some internet so you can play the game. But I'm going to show you a way you can do both using just an iPad and a mobile phone. So here is the iPad I use to record Pokemon Go videos on and play Pokemon Go on. Basically there's the app right there, you can see it just in the bottom left corner, and Airshoe is the app I'm trying to figure out how to use to record the screen properly. So basically what you want to do is, Pokemon Go uses internet and GPS, so if you're at home and Wi-Fi is on then you're fine, you can just play Pokemon Go at home, or you can like wait for Pokemon to spawn near you. But if you're out and about, that's where the problem starts. So you're going to want to create a Wi-Fi hotspot on your phone. I'll show you how to do that in a second if you don't know. So Pokemon Go can connect to the internet using the hotspot, and so that you can then play the game outside, walking around using the hotspot on your phone, which will have it in your pocket, not being used. So that it's like a portable Wi-Fi essentially. That's all it is. So basically, what you'll want to be doing is you're going to want to have your Wi-Fi turned off. On Samsung phones, you can turn the Wi-Fi off on this little screen here. It's got all these little tabs on the top. You can scroll across and see mobile data and Wi-Fi hotspot just there. So basically if you've got a Samsung phone, you can just switch that on and switch that on, and it'll create a Wi-Fi hotspot on your phone for other devices to connect to. So your tethering hotspot is now active. But if you don't have that, like on some phones you probably won't have this notification bar at the top, you can actually use, I think you can set up in the settings. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to settings, so you'll find it somewhere, just settings right there. Then you're going to want to go. Then you want to go to data usage. Turn mobile data on. Go back. Go to more networks. And then it will say tethering a portable hotspot. That's what you want. You're going to want to click that, and then click portable Wi-Fi hotspot. This little tab here, you want to switch that on, and it will say enabling Wi-Fi hotspot. And then you come to the same results we had before. So basically you can also go to change the settings and have a look at some extra details. If you're not connecting, you might have to put a password in. So if you go to portable Wi-Fi and tethering, it comes up with all these names here, connected devices, which an iPad will pop up if you use an iPad or iPod on it. There's the name of the network if you're struggling to find it. You can change that if you go to configure. You can change the name of the network SSID there to some of whatever you want, like Adam's Wi-Fi or something. And you can change the password for the network. So obviously you need a password to connect to the portable Wi-Fi hotspot. If you're not connecting, that's probably an issue as well. So you're going to want to obviously show that password and type it into the iPad. So that's it. That's how to set up a Wi-Fi hotspot. Now I'm going to show you like how to connect to it. So now that we've set up the Wi-Fi hotspot, you want to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on your iPad or iPod. So you want to turn Wi-Fi on. Then the name of the network should pop up there, Android AP, that's the one we're going to be connecting to. So now we're connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot. You sometimes have to put in a password if you don't want anyone else to connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot. If you want it to stay private just so you can use it, which I highly recommend, because you'll get slowed down if you don't. So now we're connected to the Wi-Fi, you want to go to the home screen, and then pretty much you're ready to play Pokemon Go now. So a little trick I always use when I boot up the game is I go to little airplane mode at the bottom and switch it on. You'll see why in a sec. And then you want to launch Pokemon Go, watch all the loading screens come up. So now we've launched up the game and the game's loading, but it's going to say no internet connectivity in a minute. There we go. It'll sometimes take a while to pop up. Now this is the point where you want to scroll up to the bottom here and turn airplane mode back on and enable your Wi-Fi. Typically it will load faster, and that occurs, so don't be alarmed if that comes up. So the game should load a lot quicker than normal. If you're getting errors, try this method. It always works for me. Highly recommend it. And now you've got access to Pokemon Go. So now you can play the game on the move. You can capture Pokemon, battle gyms, go to the Pokestops around your area. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. If you enjoyed this video or little tutorial, give it a thumbs up. This is what I use to play Pokemon Go on the go. That does come up, but that's not on error if you've got location settings turned on. Remember to ensure location settings are turned on your iPad. And then you can walk around capturing Pokemon and have fun. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm glad to give this to you guys who can't access Pokemon Go on your iPads or iPods, or if you've got a bad phone and you're trying to figure out how to play it. This is what I used, and it's pretty good. So yeah, subscribe for more Pokemon Go content, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.